Number 1. Telephone cables that use optical fibers
Hi
can
everyone,
be blank,
how
blank,
are you?
blank. Conventional
It's
cables,
a difficult time,
yet they
and
typically
I don't know what to
carry
say,
much more information.
besides to hope for your safetyness and health.
We can see from the
However,
provided answers
I
and
did
questions
manage to finish
that this
this video
sentence is comparing
with
telephone
this
cables
virus pandemic
with conventional
infiltrating
cables.
every aspects of our
A
lives.
is not the answer,
But we should
because
always
the word
remember
they will cause
practicing
double
social
subject.
distancing,
B,
hand washing,
the word then
and
should
respiratory
always
hygiene
go after
are the two simplest
adjectives
ways
smaller
we can
and
do
lighter.
to reduce the transmission of the
B
virus.
is incorrect,
And of
because
course,
the adjectives
hats
are
off
not in
to the
comparative
doctors,
form.
nurses,
So,
medical
the
staff,
only answer
and
is
healthcare workers.
C.
You heroes
Number
deserve
2.
our recognition and
In
our
making
deepest
cheese,
gratitude.
blank, blank,
So,
blank,
stay
is
safe, everyone,
coagulated
by
by
staying
enzyme
home.
action, by lactic acid,
After having
or
all
by
that
both.
said, I can go back to the topic. From the 2 commas
In
used
this video,
in the sentence, you will
we can
see
tell immediately
explanations
that
on
an
how to
appositive
answer
is
several
being
questions from
For
the structure
further
and
details
written
on
expression section
appositives, you
of
can
the
go to me
TOEFL test.
later.
Focusing
But
on the
what
multiple
I can
choice
say for
type of
now
questions is that
the
I will read
formula
each
of
question first
appositive
before giving
is
the explanation.
subject,
Let's start.
comma, appositive,
Comma,
verb.
so, from that formula, we can instantly say that neither A, B, nor C can be the answer. The correct answer is D. Number 3. Sensory structures, blank, 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 from the heads of some invertebrates are called antennae. All the provided answers have one thing in common, and that is the verb grow. While in the question, there is also the verb are called. So it means that we need a connector to join the 2 clauses. And from A, B, C, and D, there is only one that has a connector. It is the word that in C. 4. An etude is a short musical composition written especially blank, 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 a particular technique. A tricky question. This sentence is a good example of a TOEFL question that could be best answered by translating it. Sebuah etude adalah sebuah komposisi musikal pendek yang ditulis khusus agar ... There is a cause and result effect here. One of the ways to bring out cause and result effect is through the use of to with infinitive. And that would be answer D. Number 5. Blank, blank, blank. The United States consists of many different immigrant groups. Many sociologists believe there is a distinct national character. While question number 4 has a cause and result effect, question number 5 has a contrasting effect. And one of the connector which has a contrasting meaning as found in the TOEFL book is even though. The answer is C. Number 6. Blank, blank, blank. Many food preservation methods for inhibiting the growth of bacteria. A is not the answer because the article the is used for singular specific nouns. B is also incorrect because there is no need for connectors. D is wrong because the adjective having is useless and serves no purpose. C is the answer. Number 7. The safflower plant is grown chiefly for the oil blank 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 from its seeds. The sentences already has one subject, and that is the safflower plant. And the verb is grown. So we should only be looking for a non-subject and a non-verb. The answer is A. Remember that past participles without a be form and a have, has, or had in front of it serves as an adjective. Number 8. Newspaper historians feel that Joseph Pulitzer exercised blank 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 on journalism in the United States during his lifetime. From the word exercised, we got the idea that what comes next must be a noun. However, a noun never comes alone in the TOEFL test. And what word gives additional meaning to a noun is none other than adjectives. So, we should identify an adjective followed with a noun. And the only answer would be D. Number 9. Blank 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 must have water to lay and fertilize their eggs, while their offspring, tadpoles, need water for development and growth. The question already has the connector while to connect the two clauses. So, no need for other connectors like identified in answers A and D. And this situation happens to all frogs in general. So, no need for that in answer C. Which leaves us to the only answer D. Number 10. The philosopher and educator John Dewey rejected blank blank blank. The word rejected should be followed with to and infinitive. Therefore, the answer is A. There. We have covered 10 multiple choice type questions from the structure section of the TOEFL test. Please continue on to the next video, focusing on the written expression questions. This is Mr. Donnie signing off. Bye-bye.